Hi beauties, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. If today's the first time you're watching one of my videos, welcome to the Beauty family. My name is Marilyn. So today we're having a fun video that I wanted to film for the longest time. It was another one brand tutorial, and as you guys know, I love to be all glammed up on a budget. So today I am testing and a few products are new for me. So I'll be doing a full face using pretty much full face using L.A.Color brand. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you would like to know how I created this halo pinkish purpley look. Then keep on watching. Let's go. Alright, so eyebrows are done. What I use, I completely forgot that I had this LA Girl pencil that I wanted to try on, but I'll use it later on and I'll give you my feedback of what I think and how it works. But for my eyebrows, I use everything that I'm accustomed to use. I completely forgot. I just did my eyebrows, primed my face, and then went and got the bag with all the goodies from L.A.Colors. So I'm sorry. All right, so for foundation, I will be using my L.A.Color foundation, and I have two shades. I have Deep Tan and Cafe. And I'll be mixing them in, and these I created a video testing them out, and these were my $4 foundation. All these products, I just want to let you know that I purchased them at Family Dollar. So I like to combine both. I'll be using my Kabuki brush. It's Cosmetics. What I like about this product is that it dries to a powder finish. To contour, actually to highlight, I'm going to be using the L.A.Color contour stick, and this is in crayon form, and let's see if this has a shade. This is in shade Light. Intimidated. I did purchase a blending sponge. It's a two-tone round, but this is hard as a rock, so that will be a pass. I'm going to be using my Morphe. Alright, so the formula is a little bit hard to blend from the contour stick. I'm going to do exactly the same on the other side, and then I'm going to apply a different concealer underneath, and I will use a brand from the drugstore, but I want to keep this. To lighten my area, I'll be using my medium mowing from Maybelline, and then I am going to contour stick, and I've been loving to use my contour stick from L.A.Colors, and this is in shade Medium. I apply a lot just to make sure I have enough. I like to do this here just to really define the in. And I'm going to do the contouring first. Bring everything upwards. Alright, let's go ahead and bring the concealer in. Alright, so to set my face, I'll be using my contour palette. Face palette, and this is, like I said, from L.A.Colors. So for under my eye, I'll be using, I believe, I'm just going to apply a little bit. Yep. I'm going to go with this shade right here just to set it. And I'm going to go with a flimsy brush like this one. Just going to get some product underneath. And then to set the rest of my face using a different brush, and I'm going to go with a mix of these two colors here. first for the contoured areas. Alright, to really define, I'm going to use a contour brush, and I'm going to go to mix these two colors together. I did purchase a new blush, and this blush, it's the from also L.A.Colors, but this is the Red Rogue, and this is in color Awesome. So I'll be opening this puppy out. It has like a mauve tone, so it will be perfect. So that's what I'm going to be placing on my cheeks. The contour stick, it's like not wanting to blend out in this area. I'm going to try to savage this makeup look because Mama's going to church. So I'm going to leave my face. What I'm going to do is I did purchase a setting spray. This sets and helps extend your makeup wear. And this is how the packaging is looking. I'm going to go ahead and spritz my face to see if it will absorb some of this powders, and yeah, this area will kind of look a little better because it's not looking pretty. Alright, so let's tone down just a tiny little bit. It looks a little better, so I'm going to start working with my eyes and leave my face alone for now because I don't want to add the highlighter yet to see if this will set in, but my pores are really enhanced in this area because of what's going on with the contour stick, and yeah, feels a little bit dampened yet, but hey, it is what it is. All right, so I'm going to start working with my eyes, and I'm going to use I have 3 palettes from L.A.Colors. I think I purchased these for $2 each. So I want to create a makeup look, but for a transition color, I'm going to take it from the contour, and I'm going to be using this color right here. Alright, so using this as a transition color, I'm just placing this on the crease. I purchased a pigment powder from L.A.Colors, and it's looking like this. This will be the ice pigment, and this is a metallic loose powder. I think I'm going to wear an outfit that I will have some pink shades and something like that. My makeup look first, and then choose whatever I want to wear, but this time, yeah, I'm doing exactly the same thing. Alright, status on the face is still looking a little bit patchy on this area, so fingers crossed that my oils will take over. Okay, so the loose powder comes like this. I'm just going to place some of it and run it. Alright, so this loose powder is just like this. It's more like metallic-y, bronzy color. I'm liking it. So I'm going to use more pink colors. So I'm going to go with this one. So since I'm using this one, let's go ahead and put some of this L.A.Color matte eyeshadow. And I'm going to go into this color right here and apply it also on my crease area just to give this eye look a little bit more definition. Alright. Using this color right here. And I'm going to blend this on my brow bone area. Okay, letting this go, picking this puppy out. I'm going to go with this color right here, and I'm going to get a more detailed brush, and I'll be using this. I purchased this at Walgreens, and I'm going to go with this color right here. And I'm going to mix it with this, and I'm going to start building up the halo look. And my 2 inner corners and outer corner area. I'm going to use a little bit of this color right here as a transition. There's color in the center. And I'm just using patting motions like I pack the color in. I want to my inner and outer be very dark, but then towards the center I want some definition, so that's what I'm just packing the color in. I use a Wet n Wild light medium concealer, little dot. Alright, and we're going to get the loose pigment. I'm just going to apply some on my finger, not on my finger, on my hand. Oh my god, this is so pretty, 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 pretty. Now that, it's a look on its own. Baby. Just going to keep that there. And now it's blending time in between the other shades, so I'm going to go ahead and go with the deeper colors. Really define it up here on the crease area. I want the inners and the outer really darken, so that's what I'm just picking up. Circular motion so we can start blending, and I'm going to bring this down. I'm going to get a tiny amount of that black just to intensify. There you go. Now we're cooking. I'm going to get off camera and I'm going to continue doing the next, the other eye. That way this video will not be that long. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so both eyes are done. I also did, and I do apologize for that, I'm sorry. I did my under eye, and what I did is I used the two transition color that I was using. That it was these two shades here, and then I used some of the black from the little palette, $2 palette from L.A.Colors. Just to give me a little bit extra more definition. So it was this black color on my lid. For strobing or for highlight, I'll be using the L.A.Colors strobing illuminating powder, and this is in flashing pink. So this has some pink iridescent tone. So I'll be using my favorite highlight brush, and I'll be applying this. It does have some pink, so I'm just going really slow on the pink. Because it does have some pink tones to it, so I will not apply that on my nose. I'm going to apply just a tiny bit amount here. A little. I do have the strobing highlight powder face palette, so I'll be taking the champagne color and apply it. Actually, I'll take this one, I think. Yep, I'm going to take this one right here, and I'm going to apply that on my button nose and on here. And mix in a little bit of everything just to get a lighter up here, and I don't mind the pink going towards the cheeks. Using the strobing highlight, I'm going to use the brush that I usually use and place that on my inner corner just to open this eye look a little bit more. Right, now I'm ready to spritz my face. That highlight ain't no joke, you guys. Oh my god. Wow. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna try in and test in the mascara. This is the L.A. Color Big Bold formula. This is a new formula according to what the packaging says, and this is in black. This is how the wand looks. See what happens. I'm gonna use the mirror from this. This will be nice. It doesn't give me that much volume. It just combs them out to separate them, but it's not bad. Like for an everyday, I'm not used to this, but I'm gonna use it anyways. So what I'm gonna do now, it's get off camera. I'm gonna apply my lashes. I don't have any LA Color eyeliner, so I'll apply all that stuff off camera. So I will be right back with my lippy, which I do have, and it's my LA Colors, and it will match beautifully with this makeup look. So I will be right back. Okay guys, so lashes are done. I applied my lashes off camera and I did my winged eye. For my eye, I've been loving to use my winged eye. I've been loving to use from the brand Pretty Vulgar, and I've been loving this. For lippy, I got the this lipstick right here, and this will be the metal lipstick. And I'll be using this crayon. I didn't have one from L.A. Colors, but I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild just to line up my lips. And then I'll be applying the lip color, and this is in shade, Jesus, doesn't say, Ice Mocha. Okay, so I'm in love with this makeup look. This is something that I will wear anytime. I'm in love. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like, comment below what you would like to see next from me. But the test drive of L.A. Colors brand, not bad. I'm in love with their foundation. This $4 foundation, this is the bomb. I've been hooked up on this foundation since I purchased it, and the only thing that I didn't like, it was the contour stick, and it was because I wasn't able, I completely forgot to purchase a concealer. The patchiness went away. Yes, it did. So I am happy because of that. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Know that I love you so much. Mwah. Love you guys. Bye bye.